Thoughts that bite. Is there a clear distinction between technological objects and living organisms? Xenobots are living robots that make us question our ideas about what technological objects are. Could it be that technology and nature are just two sides of the same coin? These topics are critical in our current age of light-speed technological advancement. Come explore these relevant and thought-provoking questions with us. Jesus Vila will lead this workshop. Jesus is from Lima, Peru, where he studied philosophy. He currently teaches philosophy at the university level. He also helped the Rurapuk organization develop a critical thinking program for children. Come and expand your thoughts on technology and nature. This is a Zoom workshop on October 22nd, 2020 from 7 to 8:30 p.m. Central Time. Spanish interpretation is available. We want this workshop to be accessible to everyone. It's free for those without means to pay, and we ask those who can to consider making a donation. Funds will go towards expanding our online classes with children in Rurapuk in Lima, Peru. Any donation goes a long way. We hope to see you there.